Hello my lovely. So I spoke about these earrings from Abbott Lyon in the last video, so I'm very lucky to be working with them. So I'm a part of the Abbott Lyon collective. I've got a 15% coupon for you to use, so if you shop through my affiliate code you would get 15% off. At the moment with Abbott Lyon it's 2 for 1 on the jewellery, or if you just want one piece, for instance, if you wanted this. I feel like initial necklaces are such a great place to start, and it would give you the opportunity, if you've not already tested Abbott Lyon's jewellery out, it would give you that opportunity to actually test it out and see if you like the quality. They are water resistant, they don't tarnish, they're just really nice pieces. Like, I wear these all the time. Apart from this one, I've just found it, I thought I'd lost it and I was so devastated because I absolutely love it. This was the first piece I ever got. I wear them in the shower, so my neck would be black if they tarnished and if they weren't water resistant. So as I said, I'm part of the Abbott Lyon collective and I have got my first package from them, my first PR package. So comes in a box like that. I don't want to show you the other side, it's got my address on it, or more to the point, my mum's address on. So I did get a ring sizer and that was like 99 pence. The reason is I don't know my ring size. I only know my ring size within a certain jewellers because that's where I normally shop for rings. But anyway, I needed to be a size P for this specific ring and I'm glad I didn't just order it on a whim. Size P to me is very small, like that. I mean, it won't even fit. Well, it will if I just push it down, but I don't want to take that risk because your fingers swell, don't they? But I have looked at other rings and they do go to the next size, so I think I will get a ring eventually. And it comes with this card as well. Right. Then this is a lovely packaging, it's really pretty. Let's get the box out. Comes with a card, I'm not going to read the card, but it's by the co-founders within Abbott Lyon and it does say thank you. I think I had to put a couple of pounds towards these earrings. I got a £50 credit and they were a little bit more than that with shipping. So that's the box. Very bougie Abbott Lyon box, and you can actually get it gift wrapped and the gift wrap looks amazing. You can get the gift wrap which is personalised, but it was for me so I didn't need any of that. Then it comes like that, so the earrings are in there safely, and these ones are the pink opal heart Huggies, which look like that. Can you see them without me being in the frame? I'm also going to do kind of a flat lay for Instagram as well, and probably for TikTok as well. They are just so beautiful. I bought them for my mum initially, but she won't be able to use them. She's given me a pair of earrings like this from another jeweller's, so I'm planning on getting her a different pair of earrings. So yeah, I mean, it says made more you. What you can do with these earrings is initialise them, so you can get your first initial there and then your last initial there, or however you want to do it. You could get yours and your partner's initials. I just think the personalisation of Abbott Lyon is just so nice. So that's that. Right, I had to quickly jump off camera just because of the injury on my arm. So I'm just going to put these clips in so you can see just how pretty they are. I know they're odd clips, but you just have to bear that in mind. I mean, look how stunning they are. I've not wore earrings for a bit, so my ear's a bit red. Let's zoom in a little bit. So that's one ear. They go perfectly. Let's zoom out. They go perfectly with this gold jewellery as well. I'm sure you can get a ring with the pink stoning like that, so I might look out for that next. So yeah, I think they're absolutely beautiful. I think it's really nice. These earrings might not be big enough for some people, but they do some beautiful earrings that I'm considering getting my mum. So I put that on my Instagram. Yeah, you might want to take a look at the earring selection if you're looking for earrings. They do beautiful jewellery, full stop. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my bio. My affiliate link is in my bio. That gives you 15% off. But at the moment, if you want a better deal than that, you're actually getting 25% off one piece or 2 for 1. I think is an amazing deal. Thank you for watching. Thank you to Abbott Lyon. I really appreciate you sending me these earrings. And I've got one more piece to come, which is being personalised. So that'll probably be here within a couple of weeks. And again, I'm absolutely loving those Huggies. They're called Huggies, I told you that before, didn't I? I'm absolutely loving them, and I love the fact that they go with this gold jewellery. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye for now.